Hello guys, and good day. I'm Ron, and in this video, I will show you how to record audio on your PC, using a free software called Audacity. If you wanted to record a piece of music, your voice, or if you have a virtual meeting in which you wanted to record the audio during the session, watch this video, this might help you. So let's start. First, download Audacity. So open your web browser. Type audacityteam.org in the search bar. I will paste the link in the description. This is the site. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the icon, Download Audacity. Click to download. Wait for a few seconds. The destination folder will pop up. Then click Save to download. I will just cancel it since I have already downloaded the application. After downloading, go to the destination folder. Run the program. Just follow the installation procedure. I will not show you how to install it, since I have already installed it on my PC. After installing Audacity, open the program. And this is the interface you can see when you open Audacity. To record audio from your system, find the audio that you want to record. In this video, I have already prepared one. Then set up your Audacity. Go to Audio Setup, and left-click on the mouse. Bring down your cursor to Host. There you can find the different audio drivers. MME is the oldest audio driver. Select the latest, which is Windows WAS API. After choosing your audio driver, go back to Audio Setup, then left-click on the mouse again. Bring down your cursor to Recording Device. Select your input source. You can select a stereo mix, but it is not available in this system. So I will choose speakers. By selecting speakers, anything that I hear coming from my speakers will be recorded. Then, go back to Audio Setup again, and left-click. Bring down your cursor to Recording Channel. Just choose Mono. Next, we need to set up our system. Go to your system setting. Left-click on the system. Then choose Sound. For the sound output, choose Speakers. And for the sound input, choose Microphone, since only 2 are available on my PC. Then we are good to go. So click the record button in your Audacity. Then play the audio that you wanted to record. Just hit the play button in your audio player to start the recording. Hit the stop button to stop the recording. Let's play it in Audacity if it's been recorded. And it's been recorded. To save the recorded audio, go to File, then left-click. Scroll down to Export. Choose Export as MP3, and left-click. Choose the destination folder where you want it to download. Then go to File Name if you want it to rename. Let's rename this one Test. Then hit the Save button, and click the OK button to save it. If this method will not work on your PC, try to use the audio virtual cable. So you need to install it in your PC. I'm using the VP Audio virtual cable. So to download, go to this site. I will paste the link in the description. Here you can see the download icon. If the operating system of your PC is Windows, hit this download button. If you have already installed the software, go to your system settings. Left-click on the system. Then choose Sound. Go to Sound Output. and select virtual cable. For your sound input, it will be the same, select the virtual cable. Then we also need to set up our Audacity. Go to Audio Setup, then left-click. Go down to Recording Device. Then choose also the virtual cable. So you are now ready to record any audio from your PC. But if you use this kind of audio internal recording, you cannot hear any audio coming from your PC while recording. If you are finished, you need to set your sound output to speakers or headphone. We will now try if the virtual audio cable is working. But this time, I will not use a piece of music. I will use a text-to-speech voice to record audio from my PC. There are plenty of sites that you can use for free to convert text to speech. But I will use this site. I will paste the link in the description. This is an IBM text-to-speech demo. As you can see in this platform, inside the box, type or paste the script that you wanted to convert into voice. Above the text box, it has a language setting. There are 9 languages available, choose one. Different dialects are also available, so choose your dialect. And in the neural voice, you can choose the voice that you wanted to hear, just choose one. Below, you can adjust the speed of the voice. If your speaker speaks faster, drag this to the left to decrease the speed. You can also adjust the pitch. And this is the play button to hear a converted text to voice. In this video, I will use the default setting. As you can see, there is no download button. So we will use Audacity in order to record the converted text to voice. What I like about this site is, you can convert text to voice for free and unlimited. No credits are needed. No limit to the number of characters to be converted. No registration is needed. And there are neural voices that also sound like humans. So we need a script to be converted into voice. I did not prepare any script, so I will use ChatGPT to generate a short script for me. This is the interface of ChatGPT platform. I will paste the link in the description. If you do not have an account, use your Gmail to sign up. There is a box below. Inside, type your topic so that the AI will generate a script for you. Let's say, a brief introduction to Audacity. Then hit the send button. The AI is now generating a short script about a brief introduction to Audacity. And it's finished. So we will copy the generated script. Then paste this one to the IBM text-to-speech demo. You can hit the play icon to preview and do some editing. If everything is okay, start the recording. Hit the record button in your Audacity, then go to IBM and play your script. And it is now recording. By using a virtual cable, you will hear nothing since your audio output is set to virtual cable. And the recording is finished. Before playing the audio to Audacity, set your system output to speakers or headphones, so you can hear any played audio on your PC. Then play the recorded text-to-speech.
Audacity is a free and open-source digital audio editor and recording software that allows users to record, edit, and manipulate audio files. It was first released in 2000 and has since become a popular tool for podcasters, musicians, and sound engineers.
So it's been recorded. To save the audio, go to File and left-click. Go down to Export and choose the file format that you want, but I suggest saving it as MP3. That's all for now. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified if new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching.